Only doing the 9 points will change your body ka chi. But if you want to change your programming, then you need to do affirmations. And when you need to do affirmations, I teach you 2-3 of them, which I have personally been using. If I have a problem with a person, बड़े टाइम से, और जब मैं उसको देखता हूं मैं दुखी हूं, नहीं देखता ना तो भी दुखी, हम सबकी लाइफ में होता है. We all have relation problems. कोई ना कोई तो है जो दुखी कर ही रहा है. उसके लिए there is a triangle of forgiveness. So what I do is, let's say it is Mr. X I have a problem with. So early morning when I get there, smile सबकी दिख रही है मुझे. There was a lady who came to me and she said कि मेरी ना वो sister-in-law आ रही है लंदन से, बहुत बुरा हाल है और जितने दिन रहेगी बहुत मुश्किल है. I said छोड़ो ना मैडम, आप मत सोचो, बैठो खाली मेरे साथ बैठ के आप टैपिंग करो. And every morning promise me, every morning when you get up from bed, at least one round of these 3 you will do. She said मैं करूँगी, I will do. What I taught her? I forgive Mr. X. पहला साइकिल में forgiveness का करूँगा. I forgive Mr. X. I forgive Mr. X. I forgive. I forgive. I forgive. I forgive. I forgive. I forgive. एक राउंड हो गया. I ask forgiveness from Mr. X for whatever I must have done knowingly, unknowingly. Because हमें क्या लगता है, हम तो दूध के धुले, सामने वाला ही खराब है, वही सब गड़बड़ करता है, and लेटर से वही खराब करता है सब कुछ. इंटेंशन तो हमने गलत भेजी ना. अपने कर्मा के साथ क्यों खेलें? आप पे बीज आप पे ही खा. Why do you want to carry bad karma with you? Ask forgiveness, finish off. So first, forgive the person. Second, ask permission for whatever I may have done knowingly, unknowingly. Mostly तो knowingly किया मैंने, but unknowingly बोल दो अपने आप को थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा. Second round. Third round, God forgive me and Mr. X. Third round. A triangle is formed. So I have forgiven the person. I have asked forgiveness from the person, and I have asked that Almighty, that Creator, forgive both of us. इस लेडी ने भी किया. मुझे तो ज्यादा जरूरत नहीं पड़ी because I normally have very less enemies. I am too sweet for that. So, and what she came back to tell me after a few days is, कि मेरी sister-in-law आई थी, she was here for 7 days. It was such a brilliant time we had together. मुझे नहीं पता कैसे. Because हमें वर्ड समझ नहीं आता. हमें ये भी नहीं समझ आता कि हमारी इंटेंशन जो हमें लगता है दिमाग में है, वो actually impact कर रही होती है universe. That's what quantum mechanics says now. Quantum mechanics says we are not limited to thought, and now nobody knows how it's happening. Every particle is somehow conscious. Even a meditator sitting at the other end of the world can affect the experiment here. कैसे? बट ये तो हमारे sages को तो पता ही था, हमारे गुरु साहब लोग को पता ही था, वेदास में तो ये लिखा ही हुआ है. साइंस से नहीं मानती ना. So start doing it. When you start sending this intention of forgiveness, asking for forgiveness and asking for forgiveness, you find chemistry बदल जाती है life. Right? This is one. Second, whenever you have stresses because मुझे नहीं मिला यार, उसका तो शेयर बढ़ गया, मेरा ही सारा शेयर डूब जाता है. Very big problem. इसके लिए तो I will advise you, सोने से पहले do this. Use gratefulness card tapping. Be grateful for what you have. It is so common. हम वो देखते हैं कि उसके पास कितना मेरे पास नहीं है, ये नहीं देखते कितने हैं जिनके पास कुछ भी नहीं है. आप तो रोटी वाले हो, right? You people keep doing for people, right? उस दिन खाली जिसके लिए जो भी कह लेते हैं, blood donation camp. When you are tapping, you can just visualize people जो उस blood को use करके अपनी जान बचा लेंगे. Can you imagine? Okay, when you do tapping, when you do affirmations, if you really want them to work, try to do it Amrit Vela. Normally nahi hota, do it whenever you can. Put emotion into it. Put visualization into it. See the fun. It starts becoming a reality. क्योंकि जो हमारा गधा दिमाग है ना, आधी चीजें तो इमेजिनेशन को ही सच मान के चलता है. You agree with this? है ना? सालवी ने मुझे बताया there was a snake here. 3 बार मुझे शैडो दिखेगी, चौथे टाइम तक तो मैं जाके बता दूंगा मैंने खुद देखा था. Because our imaginations are so strong. Right? So if I had to do the tapping for this place, you know what I would do? I'm tapping. Let it be a wonderful session. And I can visualize people connecting to me, feeling happy, walking away from your saying, बस कुछ तो मिला यार आज. ये तो करना पड़ेगा यार. ये तो ट्राई करने वाली चीज है. उससे क्या हो जाता है? Imagine the kind of energy which builds inside me. What it builds in you. Right? So you can use the triangle of forgiveness. जब relations का problem, You can use the triangle, this अपना gratefulness when you feel मेरे साथ अच्छा नहीं हुआ. अरे देखो क्या क्या मिला है बॉस, इतना मिला है, अपने कैलिबर से तो अच्छा ही मिला है. Right? It will always work. That's what Gurmani also says. That's what all the spiritual field will tell you. And finally, there are some times where you just can do nothing about it. वहां पे use the key of acceptance. Accept. कोई choice ही नहीं है ना? हुक्म अंदर सबको बाहर हुक्म ना होए. You have to follow. So कभी-कभी क्या होता है? I go to a place to work and वहां my work is never done. It's stressing me out. I accept as it is. Fair enough. I accept. और साथ में जब मैं accept कर रहा हूँ ना, मैं visualize कर रहा हूँ कि मेरा काम हो रहा है. Then you'll be amazed कि हो भी जाता है. So what I am here for today is, our mind is our biggest strength and our mind is our biggest enemy. You want to make it an enemy, you want to make it a friend, and Gurmani says, man jeete Jasjeet. If mind को जीत गए, you have control on everything in this world. Right? So whenever you feel stress, remember, stress can be good, stress can be bad. Real stresses are actually good. How you decide? कान मरोड़ो, उंगलियां मरोड़ो, स्टेप आउट करो और देखो जो चीज है वो सच भी है कि मेरे दिमाग में. Use tapping to clear yourself out of it. At least for that moment. और जो चीज लॉन्ग टाइम से आपको तंग कर रही है ना, सुबह शाम रिपीटेड जब आप करोगे, your programs will start changing.